Hello everyone. We are looking at phase 3 complex number exercise 1 questions from our package, and we are at question number 2 here. So what we see now here is an expression in complex numbers with real and imaginary part, and we have to express the expression given to us as a plus ib, meaning we have to find out the real part and imaginary part. It's a very classic question, and the approach is also very set. So what we have to do is we have to, if possible, we have to simplify the expression, and then we have to multiply the conjugate denominator with the conjugate so that we get a real part in the denominator, and the numerator will become uh, real and imaginary, and then we can go ahead. So let's get on with the question. So here 1 plus 2i. Now we know 3i square is nothing but minus 3. And again, niche mein we have 1, 2i, and again it is minus 3 because I square is equal to minus 1. So this becomes what? Minus 2 plus 2i divided by minus 2 minus 2i. Okay. So 2 and 2 can be factored out from both upper and niche. So minus 1 plus I and minus 1 minus I. Okay. We can also multiply with minus, and then it can come 1 minus I and 1 plus I. 1 minus I and 1 plus I. It's a very used expression. So what we have to do is 1 minus I square and 1 plus I into 1 minus I. So when we multiply it with the conjugate, we get a real number in the denominator. And what do we get here is 1 minus 2I. And this is 1 minus 1 I square. So it becomes 2. So this is nothing but minus I. So this is minus I, a plus ib, if I say 0 plus 0, 0 minus I. So the real part is 0 here, and the imaginary part is minus 1. So that's about it. This how, and also it will be really handy to remember this expression. Thank you.